Welcome back, everybody. Now, I'm also a singer as well. I used to have troubles with getting the right key for my voice. Now, all I have to do is go straight to YouTube, download any instrumental that I like. I'll import it into my software and I just adjust it to the key of my voice. It's so simple like that. Now, that software is FILMORA 9 Wondershare. Now, let's talk about that. Now, the first thing we have to do once you've downloaded this app, this FILMORA 9, you come here, you import your music. So we do that. Now once this is done, this is it right here. So you add this to your timeline. It has been added to our timeline now. Now this instrumental is Oceans by Hillsong United. Now let's check it out. This is the original instrumental. You call me out upon the water, the great unknown, where feet may fail. Now we can see that is high for me. That's a bit high for me. So now what we're going to do now is double click on this. Now where we see pitch, here pitch. Let's adjust this, please. Okay, now where we see pitch here, this is where the magic happens. So I'm going to take this to -1 right now, and let's play this. Let's see how this will sound. Now we can see that this has gone lower. You call me out upon the water, the great unknown, where feet may fail. Now this is just perfect for me now. Now you can increase this to, let's say, 2. Now let's see how this will sound. It has just gone higher now. So now you can just play around with this pitch, increase and decrease to see what fits you. Now we are not done with that. Don't click off. We are not done with that. Now when you're done, you come over here, you click OK. Now you come over here to export. Now make sure once you click this, make sure it is an MP3 form. Don't export it as an MP4, because if you export it that way, it will be in form of video. So make sure this is an MP3 and you just get your song. So that's all we have for you today. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and comment below if this has helped you.